What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're gonna unbox a Matchbox 50 pack. I've actually never unboxed a big Matchbox pack, so this is pretty exciting. I have no idea which are the cars that are included inside. So let's go ahead and unbox this one here. I picked this one up on Amazon. If you guys want to pick one up yourself, I'll link it in the description box below. But let's go ahead and pop this one open and see what we get from Matchbox. I have no idea how they even package these cars, but there we go. We've got a lot of plastic on here. Looks like we might have to rip some of that plastic open, and let's go ahead and pop it open just like that. That's an interesting way to package them. That's definitely different from Hot Wheels. We'll zoom back out here so we can see the cars that are included. Let's go ahead and start from the top right here. And these are shorty cards, which are kind of interesting. So first one we have is the Chevy Colorado Extreme. And then next we've got the Ford Bronco 4x4. That one looks really cool. I like that. And we'll go back up top here and see we've got this one, which is called the Attack Track, which is some sort of like tank or something that I guess it attacks. It's got a big missile on the top of it, which is kind of cool. All right, let's see what else do we have. We've got the Matchbox Excavator. There we go, Matchbox Excavator. Then we have the Arctic Thunder. Check out Arctic Thunder. Big snow machine there. Ooh, that one's really cool. Land Rover, what is that? Land Rover 90 it says. Defender 90. We've got the Acre Maker right there. Acre Maker. And then we've got some sort of Jeep. We've got a 1948 Jeep Willys. I like the Jeep Willys. They're cool. And what else do we have up top here? We have got, this is another one. Let's see on the side here. Cliffhanger. That looks like another sort of Jeep. And then we've got a Ford F-350 Super Duty. Put that aside. Then we have the Hellcat, or Hellcat, I guess you would call it. And then we have a 1933 Plymouth PC sedan. Nice little classic car. We've got a Volkswagen Beetle, 1962 VW Beetle. That's a really clean casting. Looks really good, actually. Very nice. What else do we have up top here? We got the Mercedes GLE Coupe. That's the SUV type coupe style Mercedes. Then we've got a van. This is the Ford panel van with the safety or Speedy Express on there. There you go, Speedy Express panel van. And we have a police car. It's a Subaru WRX STI police car. Looks like maybe a Japanese police car. And then we've got this like boat thing down below, which is the Hydro Cruiser. Check that one out. I wonder if it actually floats. We'll have to try it out maybe in a future video. And we've got the 1970 Datsun 500 Rally. Wow, that's cool. All the Datsun fans will like that. There we go. Put that aside. And then we've got the RSQ-18 tank, some sort of tank thing. And then on top of that, we've got the Tractor King. Tractor King, that's the king of the tractors right there. There we go, Tractor King. And below those, we've got the Meter Maid. I guess that's the parking ticket Meter Maid. And we have the Rumble Raider. Rumble Raider. There's a Rumble Raider right there. All right, we'll put those aside. Next, we have the Sand Shredder. It's like an ATV type thing. That looks pretty neat. And the last two on the first 25, we've got the Austin Minivan. And this one looks like Ford Expedition. It is Ford Expedition. There we go. All right, those are our first 25. We've got another little panel right here. We'll pull that back. And then we've got our next 25 cars. Let's go ahead and start it off right at the top right here. Pull those out. We got the Honda Civic hatchback. There's that Honda Civic hatchback. We have got the 75 Chevy Stepside. Ooh, check that one out. Chevy Stepside, that's pretty neat. And what else do we have up top here? I'll have to pull a bunch of them down here. There we go. We've got the Sahara Sweeper. I guess that's some sort of sand vehicle. And we've got a pressure washer one, Rainmaker. Look at that. Look at the graphics on that. Sprays the water down. The Rainmaker. And we've got another van. It's the 95 Custom Chevy van. Must be some sort of camper or something like that sort of van. Very neat. What else do we have up here? We've got the 2016 Fiat 500X. That's a like small SUV type of Fiat. All right, what else do we have up top right here? We've got a Ford F350 Super Duty. It's a different one than the previous one we had in the case. And we've got a Badlander. Badlander? It's an interesting name for it. Guess it doesn't land very well if it goes on jumps. Don't want to be in that one. All right, what else do we have up top here? We've got, ooh, that one's really cool. Volkswagen Type 34 Carmen Ghia. It's a neat looking car. And next we have the ARV01. It's an interesting name. All right, we'll put that aside. Mazda Cx-5. I like this casting. I've got this one already. Really, really neat. I like the Mazda Cx-5s. I'll pull that one out. We've got the X-Gainer, or X-Canner, I guess. X-Canner. It's a weird name. All right, there we go. What else do we have? We've got the Geo Predator, and we've got a Hummer H2 SUV. Geo Predator, and there's the Hummer Beach Patrol. It's a beach car, there we go. For all the lifeguards get to drive a Hummer around. Then we've got a fire truck, the MBX ambulance. Sorry, ambulance, not a fire truck. There we go. Pretty neat. And, ooh, check that one out. Plymouth Cuda. 1970 Plymouth Cuda. That's really neat. I like that. Below that, we've got a Volkswagen Golf Country. It's kind of that raised up one. And then below that, we've got the Garbage Gelper. Gulping that garbage, cleaning it up. There we go. And we've got a couple of construction vehicles. We've got the Skidster, some sort of like Bobcat type vehicle. And then we've got the Plowberizer. Look at the big metal plow on there. That's interesting. I like that. And we've got, ooh, nice Corvette police car. 2014 Chevy Corvette Stingray police car. And then we have the International CXT. That's a nice big truck. That's really cool. I like that. Wow. All right. And then we've got the Sonora Shredder right there. And we've got our final two cars included here for this Matchbox X. We've got the Jeep Wagoneer. Check that one out. The Woody style siding on the Jeep Wagoneer. And last but not least, we've got this big drilling one, the Drill Digger. Awesome. I like that. I like that. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below which was your favorite car from this Matchbox 50 pack. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Thank you, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.